MedicQuant is a spin-out company from Aarhus University providing therapy-enabling diagnostics. Our vision is to enable rapid and local tests for anticoagulants directly at the point of care to benefit the treatment of patients. We have developed a novel technology that enables the quantification of anticoagulants directly from whole blood within 10 minutes. The challenge MedicQuant was facing was that our test requires the use of single-use cartridges that first of all holds our assay chemistry. Secondly, it filters the blood, generating the plasma that we're measuring our samples on. And last but not least, it's the part of the device that the user is interacting with. Our initial prototype before starting 3D printing fulfilled the requirements for holding the assay chemistry and filling the blood, but it did not have the user-friendliness or the robustness to meet the requirements of our point-of-care test. The final cartridge from MedicQuant will be injection molded, but iterative testing in injection molding is both time-consuming and very expensive. Using 3D printing allowed us to test many more concepts much faster, but also much cheaper. And practically it also meant that we could do the development in-house ourselves instead of outsourcing it. It also allowed us to very early on go out and test the different concepts with our intended users. Using 3D printing have allowed us to reduce the development cost of the cartridge by about a factor of 10 compared to going through the same process using injection molding. In MedicQuant, we are mainly using 3D printing for the development of our cartridges, but we also use it for other tasks such as specific components or adapters that we need in the lab. The reason we selected Danish Technological Institute for 3D printing is due to the excellent quality of the 3D printing method. It's always within specification, and especially the flatness is really good, which is important to us. Furthermore, the materials don't change over time, and the surface treatment gives it a water-repellent surface and a feel that matches the final product, which is injection molded. We have a great collaboration with Danish Technological Institute. The parts are delivered on time, and we have a minimum amount of work from when we send the design file and until we receive the final printed part.